North Huron Blyth. Please respond for a general fire alarm at the Blyth Theater, 431 Queen Street. Again, that's 431 Queen Street at the Blyth Theater for a general fire alarm. Attention North Huron Blyth. Please respond at the Blyth Theater at 431 Queen Street for a general fire alarm. Alarm company spoke with a Rachel King advising there's an alarm sounding and will need assistance with a reset. No fire. Again, that's 431 Queen Street at the Blyth Theater for a general fire alarm. The time of the page is July the 24th at 21:59:14.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
Car 2 acknowledges the page for the Blyth Station for general fire alarm at the Blyth Theater. Blyth Station will be responding shortly.
Roger that, I copy. Page acknowledged. Will respond shortly at 21:59:52.
Fire dispatch, you can show Car 3 responding.
Roger that, I copy. Car 3, you're responding at 2200 hours.
Fire dispatch, you can show Car 3 arriving scene.
Roger that, I copy. Car 3, you're on scene. It's 2201.
Fire dispatch, Car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, Car 3 is met face-to-face with employees of the festival. They do have a haze as part of this show. Car 3 is going to investigate further at this point.
Roger that, I copy. That's 2203.
Fire dispatch, this is engine 6.
Engine 6, go ahead.
Engine 6 responding to general fire alarm at the Blyth Theater, Golf plus 4 belted.
Roger that, I copy. Engine 6, you're responding with Golf plus 4 belted. It's 2205.
Fire dispatch, you can show Tank 9 responding, Echo plus 5.
Roger that, Tank 9, you're responding with Echo plus 5. There's 2205.
Car 3, engine 6. Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 on scene. Golf will be command will be mobile. Engine 6, Car 3. Go with the head, Car 3, engine 6. Engine 6, I'm just going to need a crew with the tick camera. You're gonna go through the structure. I'm just exiting the structure on the Alpha side. Meet me for a face-to-face. Roger that, Car 3. Fire dispatch, you can show Tank 9 on scene.
Roger that, copy. Tank 9, you're on scene. It's 220702.
Wingham Station, Car 3, you can stand down. Roger that, Car 3, Wingham Station, standing down. Fire dispatch, you can show we have a crew of 3 with an employee from the theater. We're going to do a sweep of the building with the thermal camera. Command car.
I copy. Crew of 3 checking the building with employees with the thermal camera at 2208.
Command car 3. Go ahead, car 3. Command, Echo and I are going to enter the structure here on the Alpha side and proceed to the back of the stage where the hazing equipment is. We'll keep in communication with you.
Copy that, thanks.
Command, car 3.
Go ahead, 3.
We have an all clear on the structure.
Copy that. Fire dispatch. Copy that transmission. We have an all clear on the structure.
Roger that, copy. All clear on the structure, 2209.
Fire dispatch. Call North Huron Command.
North Huron Command, go ahead.
Yeah, this is just been isolated to a fog machine. It's set off a detector at the theater. We have no fire or anything like that this time.
Roger, I copy. Isolated to a fog machine that triggered an alarm. No fire. It's 221429.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
You can show all crews have exited the structure.
Roger, I copy that all crews have exited the structure at 221523.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 clearing the scene.
Roger that, I copy. Car 3 clearing the scene at 222402.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
Can you give me the time this call came in?
10-4, the call was outed at 215042. Sorry, my apologies. That's the wrong time. It was added at 215731. My apologies.
No worries. 2157. Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show command terminated and the building has been released to the key holder.
Roger, I copy. The command has been terminated and building released to the key holder at 222814.
You can also show all units to return to Blyth Station.
Roger, I copy. All units returning to Blyth Station.